You want to build muscle, you want to feel stronger, protect your body as you get older and actually see a proper difference. But every time you look into it, it feels like you need to be in a gym, lifting heavy weights, pushing yourself to exhaustion. And for a lot of people, that's exactly why they just don't get that start. It feels too hard, or it's too intimidating, or it's too far from where they are right now. But what if I told you that a study published this week found something which changes that completely? Assalamu alaikum, my name is Dr. Azad. I'm a medical doctor and a pharmacist based here in the UK. Researchers looked at specific type of movement called eccentric exercise. Now that sounds very fancy and technical, but it's actually something really simple. An eccentric movement is the lowering part. So when you sit down into the chair slowly, that's eccentric. When you lower yourself down from a press up, that's eccentric. And when you walk down the stairs, your legs are doing eccentric work. It's the part of the movement where your muscle is lengthening under load. And this is the important bit. During that lowering phase, your muscles can produce more force than what they're lifting. So you're getting a bigger stimulus with less effort. That's not a marketing claim. That's basic muscle physiology. And the study which just came out this week confirmed all this. A 5-minute home program built around chair squats, wall press-ups, and slow heel drops improved muscle strength, flexibility, and even mental health in just over 8 weeks. 5 minutes at home, no gym. And that's the part which really matters, because the biggest barrier to building muscle isn't what to do, it's actually believing that you can do it. Most people picture a gym with heavy barbells, busy, people grunting in the background, and they think, that's just not for me. And that puts them off from ever applying for a membership. But this study didn't use a gym. It didn't use any weights. It basically used a chair, a wall, and a step. And the results were significant. When the science says that sitting down slowly into a chair and standing back up, done for 5 minutes a day, can genuinely make you stronger, that removes the excuse entirely. Now, before you think this means intense training doesn't matter, just hear me out. If you're already training with weights, obviously keep going. You're at that stage. This isn't a replacement for that. This is aimed at someone who's just never really started. And I speak to many people like this. Or you started and you completely stopped because it just felt like it was too much. Or the other thing is you're recovering from an injury. Or you're just getting older and you want to protect your muscle without destroying your joints. This is where it all begins. Just bodyweight exercises at home. And this is a mistake I keep seeing. People think building muscle requires pain and exhaustion. They've been told no pain, no gain their entire lives. That's simply not true. You don't need to feel destroyed after a workout for it to really count. You just need to give your muscles a controlled challenge consistently. So here's what I'd suggest. If you're a person that just cannot go to the gym despite advice around you and you just have never gone, you've never joined up, just do this to build your confidence. Start with 3 movements at home. Number 1, chair squats. Stand in front of a chair, lower yourself down slowly over 3 to 4 seconds, then stand back up. The slow lowering is a part which builds muscle. Number 2, wall press-ups. Place your hands on the wall, slowly lower your chest towards it, then push yourself back. Focus on the lowering part. Make it slow and controlled. And number 3, heel drops. Stand on a step or a thick book. Rise up on your toes, then slowly lower your heels down over 3 to 4 seconds. This works your calves, which are critical for balance and walking speed. Do these for 5 minutes a day, every day. That's it. And again, here's why consistency matters more than intensity. Your muscles don't grow in the session. They grow in the recovery after the session. So 5 minutes every day gives your muscles a daily signal to adapt. And because the effort is low, your body recovers quickly so you can do it all again tomorrow. That's the cycle which builds strength, not one big heavy session a week, but a small challenge every single day. You don't need the gym, you don't need the equipment, you don't even need to break a sweat. You just need to show up at home. I hope that helps. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.